Hey Burnaby, it's your realtor Felix, and today I'm dedicating my newest listing to all of you with growing families. This townhome is exactly the next step your family needs to make in their real estate journey, so let's bring you in. Welcome to 7391 Magnolia Terrace, a sizable 3-bedroom, 3-bath and den unit located in Burnaby's Highgate neighborhood. As we explore around, you'll find that the unit received a most welcomed update, installing in new flooring, new light fixture, new bathrooms, and of course, a new kitchen. All of this lets you know the only thing left to do is move in. For all the parents out there, how great is it to have this primary bedroom on its own floor? The privacy of your own space with vaulted ceilings. And the neighborhood? Enjoy the ease of walking to nearby parks, museums, schools, and the Skytrain Station. So, are you and your family ready to make this move? If so, make sure to give me a call. I'd love to bring you in. See you next time.